So here we have our BMW 520d M Sport. This car is finished in carbon black with the M gloss black shadow line, so you get the window surrounds and the grills in black. This car also comes with the performance front splitter, the LED headlights. Moving down the side of the car, we have the side skirts and the rear diffuser at the back. This car comes with the 20-inch M double spoke alloy wheels. As we move into the front of the car, so we have the shadow aluminium interior trim with the electric adjustable door mirrors. If we pan around, so this car comes with full black Dakota leather with the exclusive seam, the automatic LED headlights, full leather steering wheel with the paddle shifts, so we have also the BMW Live professional cockpit, cruise control functions on the steering wheel. If we move in, we have the professional infotainment system, including navigation. This car also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving on to the seats, so both front seats are heated with the dual zone climate control. Moving on to the back, so we also have the aluminium trim continued throughout. As you can see, plenty of room in the back for rear passengers. Additionally, you have the USB-C ports, which come in handy. If we come round to the back of the car, you can see the rear diffuser we mentioned earlier, along with the LED tail lights. If we now have a look at the side profile of the car, you can see that the 20-inch wheels and the side skirts further enhance the look of this car, along with the rear privacy glass. For more information, please contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.